Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. Let's get right into it. It is January 25th, Thursday, January 25th at the close of New York. Let's start with micro oil. We opened gap up, and they shot up, had a little retracement, tested those lows, tried to get back in once, twice. They failed to do so, had another round trip, back up. Those buyers re-engaging, taking control, retracement, and then they shot through. So never got to the close, never even got to the range for that matter, but we had a gap and go, finishing up on the day, creating a new contract high for this contract that we've just recently rolled into this week. And then gold opening ever so slightly from its close yesterday and then getting to it, and then news coming out 10 minutes after that gold market open. Look at the size of these bars, and then stopping dead at this HVA edge, shooting up, a little retracement, and then a little bleed through afterwards. And then they just fought this edge for a while. You can see that they had a handful of opportunities throughout the day, just a little bit slower of progress, but that's fine. It's just all about being patient and waiting for these setups. But we are finishing in that market ever so slightly above yesterday's close, so we are positive in this market as well. Now, our equities, they opened within inside of their range from yesterday, above their close. We've had plenty of opportunities here for reversals, inverses, but we opened up, fought this edge, responding around it a dozen or so times on both edges of it, both sides of it. And we eventually, it took all day for the most part, but we eventually got to that close down here. And then once we did, it was a little fight. And then you can see that they picked up the mantle and started driving it up one more time. And that's where we settled in right now for us today. So we are closing. If we were to close right now, it's just they're gonna fight for the next few minutes or so as they fade out these contracts. But as they're closing out right now, it is finishing positive. Now, the NASDAQ is actually below its close from yesterday. If it were to finish and settle out right now, it is net down. It's the only market that we have displayed right now that is net down, but it's not terribly far from its close from the day prior. Now, the NASDAQ did open above that close from yesterday, and then just, again, much like the ES, fought this edge for most of the day. And then they had a move up, trying to make some new highs, trying to break out, but the sellers really wanted to get to that close, get to that value, and drove it down. They got it, and then they decided to get some more. And that's pretty much where we are now after they drove it down even more and then retraced back up. So lots of opportunities today. If you guys have any questions or comments or want to learn more about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts the night prior to the next day's trading activity, or more about the methodology that we teach in the rooms, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Get in touch with us at either location. We'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.